Chef Deborah, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a lemon muffins. For the ingredients, we need 380 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 lemon zest, 2 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 160 ml of oil, 300 grams of white sugar, and 250 ml of milk. For the procedure, cream the egg with the sugar by the use of the wooden spoon. When I'm baking a muffin, I'm not using a mixer because when you overmix the muffin, it will become different the texture. Add vanilla, oil, and the lemon zest and mix together until incorporated. And then add the first part of the milk and put all together the dry ingredients. Add the first part of the dry ingredients. I divided it into 3 parts. I did not put it one time because I want to incorporate all the ingredients evenly. Now, it's ready to bake. Bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. The muffins are ready. It's good to have it with the tea and also with the coffee. I hope you like these muffins and try it to bake it in your home. Take a look the texture of the muffins inside. See? It's very nice texture. It's very soft. When you bite it, you will feel the richness and the essence and aroma of the lemon. It's very nice taste. And you know, this muffin base you can use for any flavor of muffins do you like. For example, you like blueberry muffins, strawberry muffins, of whatever you want to put. You can put also a dry fruit if you want. So please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page so that you will be updated for the new recipe that I will share to all of you. Again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy baking with me.